We'll guide you through how to insert and remove an SD card in a camera. You can follow along whether you've got a big DSLR camera like this or a small digital camera as well, it doesn't matter. So if you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So of course, in order to go and take a photo or record a video, you need to go and have an SD card in your camera because that is the storage device for it essentially. So we're going to guide you through how that is done. So to get started, you need to come onto the camera and you need to go and locate the SD card slot. So usually on a small digital camera, it's going to be at the bottom here. There's going to be like a slider which you can slide across to open, and you open it up and the battery will maybe be in there and potentially an SD card slot. So, there's be a slider here, you push and slide and remove or push down like this here. On this big DSLR camera, there's actually a door on the side. So you need to go and push this back. Then you go and open the door up. You then have a slot there, and that slot is for the SD card. Now, you need to be very careful when inserting it. I'm going to guide you through that now. So what you want to do is go and put it in a way. Now it's important to note an SD card can only be inserted a certain way. So you can go and put it in there. Now, if you find it doesn't go in at all like this, as you can see, it's just like not going in and it's going in wonky. That's the wrong way. So be very careful, do not force it. Try putting it in the other way and it should go and feel a bit bouncy like so. And that means it's going to go and be the right way. And it's also going in a lot further as well. So that indicates it is going in the right way. Now, you do need to go and push it down. And I found on most of my cameras, pretty much all of them, in fact, they're on like a spring. So you go and push it in like so, and then you'll go and lock it in essentially. And that's it. You then close the door and you're now able to go and use the camera. You can go and take a photo or go and record. And when it comes to removing an SD card, once again, go and locate it. We should have already located it. Open up the door and you go and push down on it. You may be trying to slide it out, but because of that spring that we showed you, you have to go and push down and then it'll go and pop out and you can slide it out, close the door, and you've then got the SD card with your photos and videos on. So that is it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day.